Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to increase Snapchat score. Ways to increase your Snapchat score. You need to be a regular on Snapchat and keep sending snaps to your friends if you want your score to move upwards. Also, they should reply with snaps of their own. Here are known ways to raise your Snapchat score. Send more snaps to raise your score. Although the algorithm that produces your snap score is a secret, we have determined that adding friends and sending snaps to individuals certainly increases your score. Your best bet to quickly increase your Snapchat score is to find one or two good friends want to accomplish the same goal. Snap them several times throughout the day and your score goes up. Second, add new friends to raise your score. Making friends on Snapchat may seem like a silly way to increase your Snap score, but Snapchat is a social media application after all. But making friends can help you to raise your Snap scores quickly. If you're new to Snapchat and you aren't sure how to add friends, follow this video. Believe it or not, Reddit has a page dedicated to helping Snapchat users find each other. Doing this not only increases your Snap score, but it may also help you meet new and interesting people too. You can look up popular Snapchat profile online and add them to your own Snapchat. This action will help you to make more friends and up your score. Third, open snaps regularly to increase your score. When another user sends you snaps, it's a good idea to open it and respond to it. Whether sending or receiving snaps, both generally increase your score. So, no matter the content, be sure to check and open your snaps daily. It's just a number on a virtual platform. It doesn't mean anything right now. A Snapchat score is comparable to the karma points on Reddit, which serve no real purpose. Snapchat's scoring system is much like a video game. It's a great way to track your progress, keep you engaged, and make the application a little more interesting. Unfortunately, you won't unlock any special features with a higher score. But you get the best friend emojis if you hit a snap streak with one friend. You could receive Snapchat trophies in the past, but those are no longer available. Even though there is no way to determine how Snapchat calculates your score, the methods in this video will surely help. Now you know to stay away from all the Snapchat score hacks and use some legitimate ways to increase your score. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.